Hi, this is Al, Rock and Pull Industries. We have a 2016 Road Glide we just completed, and we're up here in Northern California, and he shipped us this bike from Southern Arizona. People are shipping us motorcycles from all over the country to repair, because there's not very many people that do motorcycle frame repair. So this was going to Southern Arizona. In fact, just the other day, we shipped one off to Tampa, Florida. Nobody's doing them. This is the very few people that do motorcycle frame repair are the ones that are getting all the work from all over. In fact, I have 2 motorcycles being shipped to me from Norway, so they're coming. But yeah, I do have some customers that purchase the equipment, and they're trained, certified technicians, and that's Ground Zero Cycles in Burbank, and that's Cycle Tech Industries in Hurricane, Utah. And then there's a guy who's got just a straight shooter for alignments and frame damage assessment, and he's down in Dallas, Texas. And there's going to be a shop coming up in Jacksonville, Florida in about a month and a half, and he's going to have the complete rack and pull system. And that's called Florida V-Twin. Be there in about a month and a half. So that's it. Motorcycle frame repair is the thing of the future. And it is a necessity. In fact, if you have a shop and you're known for quality and you're the go-to shop, everybody wants to bring their bike to you, this is a fit for you. It would be perfect. It would just increase the services for your customers. It will help with customer retention and customer satisfaction, because now you'll be able to save a bike from being a total loss. And nobody wants to see a motorcycle get totaled. And so here's the way this goes. When you purchase the rack and pull system, let's say you're out in Ohio. I don't have any shops in Ohio. So if you're from Ohio and you purchase the rack and pull system, with the system comes a certification and training program. So you'll be trained and certified to become a certified motorcycle frame repair technician, which means you would be the only one in Ohio. So you would set the industry standards and the industry pricing. Enough said. Where are they going to go? They can't argue with you because you would be the only one doing it. So that's one of the benefits of buying the rack and pull system. It's just the thing to do. Frame repair is a necessity nowadays. It's unfortunate that things happen. There's accidents that happen all the time. And all you can do is try and pick them back up and put them back on the road again. And that's what the rack and pull system does. From drivetrain alignments to get rid of that high-speed wobble and improve the handling on these motorcycles, to frame repair to put them back on the road after an accident. Because that's what they do. That's what we do here at Rack and Pull. So, that's all I got to say for you guys. You guys go out, have a good ride, and think about this. If you want a motorcycle shop, maybe think about getting on board doing motorcycle frame repair. It is a thing of the future.